Jeez, lads, how much that's like 2 or 3 feet deep, like.
Just explain why they're going so slow.
Yeah, makes sense now, you know.
Yeah.
Say one thing, if I had a Jeep now, I'd be fucking plowing through that. That lorry should be able to... What was it, a Volvo? High air intake, you should be able to plow through it. Oh, you can feed under the car and everything.
It doesn't look big off now.
No, it won't. If you keep the revs up, it won't. Low gear, keep her lit. Is it petrol, is it?
Yeah.
Oh god. It's got a high in air intake, does it? It's up like around the engine, is it? Please tell me it is.
No idea.
Well, pray to God it is. Look at that, fuck. I think everyone's taking pictures.
Surprised there are loud people go through this now.
Yeah.
There's no other way, so the city won't be able to cope with that amount of traffic.
Fucking flash.
Your man, car's behind us.
I'd say someone's broke down up there.
Yeah, someone behind us.
They're taking pictures. It's actually out. Taking pictures. Jeez, lads, if I bought my little Polar, no one had a hope in hell that I'd get you here.
Some job I didn't bring
And
that way.
I was going to drive, like.
My car is lowered. I'd be fucked. Coming
Yeah,
into
that's
the stores.
fire, say, what you call it, fucking...
By a racer,
Yeah.
That wouldn't be too bad. My car's a turbo. Or is it diesel?
No, it would be alright.
Dry roads, yahoo!